Okay, guys. So in this video, the new update came out. Me and my friend, well, he hasn't. I
We're
haven't
gonna
played
check
with
it out.
Well, so I've already played it a bit. I have the new items unlocked. So
Yeah, you
we're
kinda
gonna
does.
we're gonna play this. So
Okay,
if you're
let's go
looking
play
for
this.
the new items, they're
right
here at the
Horizon?
broccoli, and so I already have them. They're pretty cool. I think y'all have heard of bomb broccoli. It's like the new unreleased item. It's very cool. We can just
look, boom,
and
this is
nice
what it does.
Oh, okay. Yeah, sit up there, bro.
And this is how it's supposed to work. This is how it's supposed to work.
Oh, there's my other crossbow.
It's like an impulse grenade. It's like an impulse grenade.
It's not an impulse grenade, bro.
It's like an impulse grenade, but it's a different.
It's not an impulse grenade.
It can make you small?
Or big.
And big.
Yes. So, and you can make enemies big and small. Alright, we're gonna go make Tiny Ogie. Come on, bro. Let's go make Tiny Ogie.
Ogie?
Ogre.
Oh, yeah. Let's go make Tiny Ogie.
And so, like I said, I've played the update a bit. I know that this will work. I've done it multiple times to Ogie. So, where's Ogie?
Ogie! Hi, Ogie!
I missed.
Hit him with
Let's
the
make
bomb.
big Ogie!
Hit him. Oh no, he's gonna crush you!
Oh, why is he looking like that? Bruh. I can't help you, bro. Oh yeah, and so I think that whenever you
I'm angry at Ogie boy.
oh god, he's an
I'm angry.
I'm
still standing. I'm still wrong. Here's the luggage.
Alright, so you can they don't stack on enemies, sadly. Okay, now I'm gonna make Tiny Ogie.
He might kill us though.
Nah, we're good. Did I miss? No, I didn't. Tiny Ogie! Look, guys, it's Tiny Ogie.
Hit him with another bomb.
It doesn't work, see?
Yo,
My
there was no taper fee. Yo, you think you're getting crushed!
He got
Jolly
me.
dude. What the?
Right.
Oh hell no!
Bro. I'll come back.
Just come back. I gotta keep.
I'll bring a mini broccoli. Okay, so you can also, he also has less HP once I give him the mini broccoli. So I'm gonna give him that, and then I'm gonna, shoot him with the RPG. Come here, Ogie!
Sabotage!
Bro!
Bro! Everybody cut! This is, I did not do that. Nobody saw that. What are you doing?
Bro.
No, nobody saw that. It was definitely not on camera. Bro, where's the videos? Where's those videos that I told you to post? Like the ones with me in it. I've been looking on your channel.
I don't think those videos are good, bro. They're a bit too inappropriate for my audience.
Yo, by the way, guess what? Jarvis, guess what?
What?
Chicken butt.
Oh my god! How is he not dead?
You killed me before you killed stuff.
Me! Oh god! I'm alive.
I'm the bride. I'm the sky. I'm the bride. Are you gonna? I'm getting crushed too. Ow.
Bro, I'm inside a wall.
Yo, come back.
Okay, hold up, let's go do it on some other enemies, bro.
Nah. I'm gonna beat him with my bare hands. I'll go. Let me go beat him. Let's go beat him with our bare hands.
You can.
Get some hands. Nah, wait, watch this. This is how you kill Ogie Boy with your bare hands.
Bro, the fists do like no damage.
Yeah, they do. You just have to use them.
Okay, bro, you can fight Ogie with your bare fist.
First, you gotta get his attention. Hey, Ogie Boy, I bet you can't see me. And then you wanna jump him. You gotta watch out for his rock. I dodged that, guys.
I don't
think him. Help!
I got mobbed!
I got mobbed. You ripped me up. Mobbed.
Ogie don't stand no chance. But I have no weapon. Why did it deactivate right there? Alright, bro. Me
I bet I can.
No, you're not using that.
Yeah, I gotta kill
Use a normal one.
No, I'm killing Ogie Boy with this.
Oh well.
Jarvis, also you can. Jarvis, if this doesn't kill Ogie Boy, you can have it. I missed. Charlie, help me!
Now, I'm guessing my friend is dead. And I am probably right. Why not just eat that? Oh, also...
Jarvis, I missed!
I'm not gonna miss, because I am... Don't question what that is. Tiny! Oh, that's in his balls! That's in his balls!
Oh, hell no.
In his...
Help me! To the gentle! You're still alive! Jarvis, I'm still alive from him getting my bow.
Get juked, bro!
Get juked, bro. Broke ankles. Get juked.
That's where I shot him. I shot him 3 times.
Watch this. Watch this.
Grab that.
Oh, go.
Thanks.
I got mocked. I don't like getting touched by you.
Love your chase. Running.
Jarvis, here I come to the rescue.
Bro, just shoot it with my quiver.
Oh, hell no! Jarvis is too...
Oh, take the shield. My controller! Oh. Bro thought, you really thought. Yo,
Bop down.
Bro, you can hit him with anything.
Yo, he got me. Broke ankles.
Oh, the grapple doesn't work.
Help me! 1 second, got a grapple in that tree.
I'm gonna kill him, bro. Wait, does he regen? Come on, bro. Don't give me stuff.
Yo, John, did he kill Ogre?
He's all I'm killing him slowly.
To the night in the sky. You thought,
bro. This is the.
Bro, he's taking arrows and he's. Oh hell, Charlie, let's take the arrow. Bro, you're cooked.
No, I'm not. I've survived this one.
Yeah, you might have survived that. Run! Run! Beat him! Beat him! Yeah!
Bro, that was the slowest way to kill Ogre.
Yeah, true. Everybody get the crossbow. Give me a crossbow. Yo, there's already too many crossbows.
Bro, I never even died once to him.
Yeah, maybe because he's racist and he's targeting me.
Well, you're not. Bro, we're the same skin color.
No, you're blue and I'm cyan.
Oh my god.
Oh, net, boy.
Bro, I didn't even
I'm gonna
touch you.
Pop. Bro. 2 arrows can kill a chicken zombie. 2 arrows can kill the chicken zombie.
Bro, you gonna just use chicken meat to kill Ogre?
That doesn't work.
Yes, it does. Look.
What?
Let's kill Ogie. Let's kill Ogie
with chicken meat.
And we can always get more chicken meat. Oh god. Ogie's here. Just get a bit more meat.
Yo, he's coming. Arrow.
Pow! Haha! Haha! Oh! Can't touch us.
Is it funny that he is coming to right by us? Yo, watch out. Bro, his aim! Bro, you see me like just snipe? Oh, hell no. Yo, he's gonna probably hit me. Oh, it's a hammer. Blocked it. Beat him.
Beat him up.
Yo, his aim is kind of bad, not gonna lie. Oh, hell no. Yo, he's low on health.
Phew! And now you got me stuck now. Come here, bro. Well, so the feel like a real attack trend, like honestly, like how do they not get copyright for that?
Yo, I didn't mean to shoot the chicken.
Bro, I hit him in his balls.
I hit him in his arm.
Oh God! Bro, please. That shield protected me. Oh, get juked!
Get juked! Oh, he bending. He bent down for me like a good boy. Genesis, you distract him, I kill him.
Chicken! Ah!
Haha! Arrow! Quiver! Another quiver. Oh.
We will come back with more.
Yeah.
Okay, come back.
Okay.
Soldier?
Okay,
Soldier,
I'll bring us power-ups. I'll bring us power-ups and I'll give him a debuff.
Okay, and I will bring my gooning thing and my frying pants. I'm gonna bring my favorite stuff. Frying pants and my goon. I mean my pit. You didn't hear that, right? Was that a recording?
Yes, bro, it's recording.
Oh, cut that. You need to cut that, right? Did he cut that, right? Guys, did he cut that?
I don't know how to. I don't know how to cut it. It's fine.
Now we're cooked. Now we're cooked.
Nah, bro,
you're
it's fine.
You're gonna get you're gonna get demonetized.
If you don't sub from this video because he said that word, then it's totally fine. I understand it.
He's gonna get demonetized.
I'm not getting demonetized. A lot of other people say that word. Oh!
Yo, he's so smart.
Bro, he still has arrows in his face.
Bro, I
have an arrow through my neck, dog.
Bro, I have
an arrow through my neck. I have an arrow through my neck, dog.
Tiny chicken.
I'm at Quaco.
Hold up, bro. Where's a normal sized chicken?
Yo, no, that's a tiny chicken.
Alright, bro, you know I was gonna hit him. Right?
Yeah!
Chicken jockey! Okay, now let's make Ogre bigger.
Hold up, bro. I want to kill a giant chicken. Oh, I sniped him.
Bro, you see how many arrows we have right now, dog?
Yeah.
Ooh, purple.
Why'd you bring
Purple
your
arrow.
void arrow?
Because I don't want it anymore. Even though it's like my favorite thing.
Oh, yeah.
Yo, Okie boy! Ah, bro, I'm gonna goon on him. I hit his pee-pee.
You
You're
killed me.
last hope. Run!
Free beef,
Yo,
chicken nugget, bros, box.
Yo, hit him.
Bro, he's
You see
glitched.
his neck? Yeah, bop.
Bro, can't hit his shots, bro. Res and bring bombs. Ooh, excuse me. Just that I can see him better. Get juked, buddy. You can't hit me. Elbozo.
Ultimate weapon. He's stunned. Now check. Bone. Take the arrow. No. After me, dog. Watch this. Blocks. You see, I blocked that boy. You know.
Oh, what the? Look at his face! You ugly, bro! Yeah, bro, what are you gonna do?
That's a good stick.
Goose.
Oh, hell no. He broke my bone. My bone. I dropped the void arrow. Get that? Hit him with the pee-pee. He got me.
I tried.
I'm coming back with more.
Rubber goose. Come on, bro, come on.
Here we go. Dog, he's glitched.
Get the arrow!
Bop, bop, bop. Yo. Ah, he got me! Yo, we got him. What's in here? Yo, we got a grenade, dog! Yo, put that in your crossbow. Yo, you should put the grenade in your crossbow. Put the grenade in your crossbow, dog. Put that level 10 grenade in your crossbow.
It's not gonna. If it one shots, then that's crazy.
Yeah.
Hold on, let's come over here, bro. Right
I
here.
gotta get my pick.
Imagine that you got the low taper fade.
Stop saying that.
What it said. If you say that I'm punching you, I'm joking.
Oh.
Why is that chicken still doing the near? Oh, he's right behind us, dog!
I killed you on accident! I'm running to the fighting arena.
Crazy.
I don't know, I was waiting for him. Imagine that landed on his head.
Gotcha.
Stun!
Jump on!
Wow!
Jump is goofy ahead, yeah, you came in that door. Dog.
Okay, let's come back with more loot.
Blocks. Nah, we got him.
Nah,
We got
bro,
him, dog. Well, are we weak? We got the boom.
Nah, bro, I'm gonna... Alright, you can do that. I'm gonna bring the wombo combo.
No revolvers or anything that's advanced.
No, anything that's advanced. We gotta kill him with like
Melee weapons.
Aww.
So it can be a challenge. Everybody likes a challenge.
Bro, this isn't the video, bro. We were doing the new update. But you know what? Whatever. This is good enough.
Yeah. Now we're just doing a fun video movie. That's the funny part.
We're not doing a video movie.
We kind of are. It's kind of been a while.
Oh yeah, I haven't
I'm gonna bring up
in a while. Hey, dude, buy a lot of police shields. Actually, pinata bats.
Yo, I think I just came out in the best idea ever. I'm ready for the war. Are we gonna walk there?
Yes.
Okay, but I'm ready for the war.
Okay.
Yo, I'm so heavy. Yeah, I can go bam,
All right, bro.
bam,
Come on, let's buff.
block.
Let's get our buff.
Let's go.
No, dude, come here. Gotta get our buff.
Gotta get her buff.
There we go.
Okay, now let's go.
And
Yeah,
then
I'm
I
ready
have
for
to
the
get
war.
a debuff for him. All right, come on.
No, it's not gonna also have a buff.
Drop the hammer. First, we're gonna hit him with the wombo combo. Player pin.
He's not even there. Bro, I have a debuff for him. I have his debuff.
Yeah, now we can just pound his head. I'm kind of slow.
Yeah, I am too. That's why I got our buffs out. I see him. Ogie! Ogie Omogie! Ugly boy!
Debuff him, and now attack him. Yo, he got me, dog! Dog! Shield blocked! Bro, debuff was... Wait,
That was so easy!
Ray gun, wait a minute. I can launch the hammer at him.
Wait.
Yeah, I'm gonna launch the hammer at him. No, look, it's extra range. Look, the crossbow is not that good as this. Yo, I didn't mean to hit you. Look how, look, mine's longer.
Why do you have that special hammer?
That's not my special hammer. I own them.
Dog, that hammer is a special one.
That's not a special hammer.
It is. It's black. Is it a Dawn hammer?
Yeah, it is a Dawn hammer.
Dog, that's special. That's not a normal Dawn hammer.
I bought it. Okay, let's go to say something and see who's right. No, this is a normal freaking Dawn hammer. This is not a special hammer. Well, you wanna boost something?
No.
You wanna boost? Like, I can boost you all the way. This is not special, bro. They. See? It's not special, dog. Dog, it's not special. Look.
So if
Look
that
at my
one's
hammer,
not
right?
special, then
Yeah, well, look, it's not special, bud.
oh. Okay, then it just looks different in here. Yeah. Okay. Okay. Never mind then.
You, dog.
Stop saying dog a lot. You say it too much.
Yeah, I just like to say it now. But I'm ready for the war.
He's here.
Watch this. Oh.
Call me when you want. Call me when you need.
Call me when you need. Call me in the morning.
Come on, bro. Come on. You look ugly.
Watch out, watch out. Bombs away. Blocked. You thought, kid. Call me when you want. Call me when Call me at the last dog.
Oh, you did.
Yeah.
Run!
I'm gonna bring the best thing in the game. I'm gonna bring the best thing in the game.
I died.
I'll come
Super Bowl.
revive. I hit him with the impregnator 9000. He's still standing. He's still standing. Well, I hit him with the impregnator.
Don't say that. Run!
Dog, I want to throw this chicken. Oh, the chicken did nothing!
Oh, look at them toes.
What? We got cross. Wait. Get out of this.
Bro, hold up, wait.
Hold up, my controller broke.
What?
My controller's broken. I just threw it across my. Oh, guess what I did to my? Guess what happened to my controller today?
What, you threw it across your room and it's broken?
No, I throwed it so far. I was all the way in my living room, and now it was in the kitchen.
Oh my gosh.